Hello, just showing what I was trying to explain on Discord as far as using variables to run your animation cycles. So I don't know if it's just too small to see, but right off the top in my scene thing, I usually use the set CopperCube variables to set my variable poo right off the top, set it to 0, and I just have this thing up here in the corner just showing the variable change. In my case, I put it in the character. I don't know if you have to do that or if it makes more sense to put it up at the top node. But either way, I have when key is pressed, do something. And in my situation, I just set it as left mouse button as an example. And when key is pressed down. So when key is pressed down, it's going to set or change the variable poo to 1. And when it's released, left mouse button, when key is left up, it's going to do the opposite. It's going to set or change variable poo to 0. And then in the character, I have here every few seconds do something behavior. I have it set to 10. And you might want to play with that, see what works best for you, but 10 seems to be fine enough. Because all it's doing is checking to see every 10 milliseconds if that variable has changed. So if it's changed to 1, so if poo is equal to 1, it has a set animation of an animated scene node. In this case, it's this guy over here. I have it set to his run, one of his run cycles, and I have loop toggled on. Okay. Oh, sorry, I forgot one other thing. And then I have another if variable has a value, do something. I have poo set to 0. If it's set to 0, then do something else. So what it's going to do, it's going to have a set animation of animated scene node. So now it's taking this dude, animated scene mesh 1, and it's switching its animation to idle. And I also have that on loop. I'm pretty sure how it transitions is affected by this value over here. So if you want to make it a faster transition, you can set that to 100. Anyways, here it is in action. Aww. Alright, so we see in the top corner there, my variable is set to 0. My dude is in idle mode. And when I press my left mouse button, he starts running. Look at him go. And you see my variable is now set to 1. When I release, when I let go, he gets back into idle mode. Press 1, press left mouse button, he goes. And you see his cycle seems to be working pretty good. Anyways, that's it. I hope it helps. I'm not sure exactly what you're trying to do, but this sort of quickly answers the question you had made. All right, take care. Bye-bye.